Hello everyone. In the previous video we have learned how to find out the mean by using assumed mean method, or we say shortcut method. In this video we are going to learn about finding the mean of the given distribution by using step deviation method. What is that? What is the algorithm to find out the mean by using step deviation method? In this we see that the first three steps are same as we had in the assumed mean method. That is, number one, form the distribution table of the given data. Number two, we have find xi. In case it is classified or group distribution, we have to find out the class mark, that is xi. And then we have to find out assumed mean, a number, an arbitrary number considering as mean, and that is taken as a. After that we have to find out the deviation of every data from this particular number, this arbitrary number which we have considered as a. That is di equal to xi minus a. After this, the new step in this particular step deviation method is that in case our di is a bit larger, we can make it a bit smaller by dividing by some number. And that number we consider as h. That may be the class interval of the given distribution, or it may be the HCF of the di's. Some number which may divide all the given di's. And then it is taken as ui. Ui is xi minus a upon h, or we can say di upon h. Then we have to find out the product of fi and ui, like we were doing there, fi and di. Here we will be multiplying fi and ui, and also we'll find out the sum of the frequencies, which is representing n, the number of data. And then the formula to find out the mean we will be applying here is x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Because we have divided every di by h, we have to multiply here by h just to get the correct mean of the given distribution. We will learn some of the examples now. And the first example we are going to discuss here is for the unclassified or ungrouped frequency distribution. The distribution table has been given as xi's are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, and their frequencies are 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, 3 respectively. Now what we have to do? We have to consider a. Here from these xi's only, suppose we consider a as 8. We know that we take somewhere in the middle. 8 is the number and we underline it. And we write here let a be 8. Then we know that we have to find out the deviation di, and that is xi minus a. Here it is 2 minus 8 minus 6, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 8 minus 8, 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 12 minus 8, 4. Now we take some number as h, as I told you, either it is class interval in case of classified distribution, or in case of unclassified this may be the HCF of these numbers. We know HCF of these numbers is 2. So we can consider h to be 2. And then we have to find out ui. Ui is di upon h, or we say xi minus a upon h. And here when we divide each number by 2, we are getting here this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. And now we have to find the product of fi and ui, frequency and ui. Please remember this. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 0 into 4 0, 8 into 1 8, and 3 into 2 6. And now we have to find out the sum of these fi and ui. As I told you earlier also, we add all the positive numbers together and the negative numbers together. When we add these positive numbers, this is 14. When we add the negative numbers, we find here 15 and 6, 21, 23. This is minus 23. And the sum of these two comes as minus 9. Now we have to find out the sum of frequencies. that is 5, 3, 8, 10, 14, 22 and 3, 25. And we write here the value sigma fi ui is equal to minus 9 and sigma fi is 25. Now we find the mean by the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Substituting the values we get here, a means 8, this is negative so it becomes minus 9 upon 25 into h, that is 2, which is equal to 8 minus 18 upon 25, which comes as 8 minus 25, 0.72. This is equal to 7.28. This is the mean of the given distribution. Now we'll take one of the example based on classified distribution. The problem for the classified distribution is class intervals are given from 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24 and 24 to 30. And the respective frequencies of them are 4, 3, 2, 6, 5. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the class mark. And we know class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here it is 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 plus 12, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And so on, it is 15, 21 and 27. See, one more way we can do it. We find the class mark for the first and second class intervals and if the intervals are same, then we can just add the class intervals here, like 6 is the class interval, we can add 6, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 6, 27. Now we assume A in this, somewhere in the middle, suppose we take this as 15. So we underline this and we write let A be 15. Then we know we have to find out the deviations of all xi from A. And when we substitute, we are getting 3 minus 15, that is minus 12. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. 15 minus 15 is 0. 21 minus 15 is 6. And 27 minus 15 is 12. Now we have to find out h. And h here you can see can be taken as class interval, which is 6. And if we divide them by 6, this is coming as minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now we find the product of fi and ui. This 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 2 into 0 is 0, 6 into 1, 6 and 5 into 2, 10. The sum of the positive numbers is 16 and that of negative numbers is minus 11. It means the sum of all fi ui is coming as 16 minus 11, that is 5. And we write it here, sigma fi ui is equal to 5. Then the sum of frequencies, here 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 6, 15 and 5, 20. Sigma fi is equal to 20. Now, mean, that is equal to A plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Substituting the values, we get here A, that is 15, plus sigma fi ui is 5 divided by sigma fi, that is 20, into h, that is 6. And we get it as 15 plus 30 upon 20, this 0 cancels 0, it is 15 plus 1.5, or we can say 16.5, which is the mean of the given distribution. So we have understood in this video how to apply step deviation method to find out the mean of the given distribution, whether it is classified or it is unclassified. In the next video, we will learn about median, what is median and how to find median for various type of distributions. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.